Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 2-loop bow in the mini Bowdabra and then a 2-loop bow in the regular Bowdabra. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra hair bow tool and ruler and lay that over my mini Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, which I folded in half, and I made it long enough so I can just tuck it under the mini Bowdabra so it stays out of my way. Then I'm going to take my light pink dot ribbon, I'm going to fold it in half, and then what I'm going to do here is take the wrong side and I'm going to do a little mountain in the middle and just scrunch that down. Then I'm going to fold this back over and I'm going to go to a 2 1/4 inch loop. And I'm going to again do my little mountain in the middle because that makes it so you don't have to sew to get your loop the way you want. And I'm going to make this the same thing, 2 1/2 inch or 2 1/4 inch. And again, I'm going to do my little mountain in the middle, scrunch that down into my mini Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my mini Bowdabra wand, scrunch everything in, take the ends, and bring this through my loop and just pull it really tight while it's still in the mini Bowdabra. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie a knot and tie another knot. And we'll leave the and then what we're going to do here is I'm just going to bring both of my loops down, both of my tails down. And then you have this really cute little bow. Okay. Next, I'm going to take some more Bowdabra bow wire. And like I said, I just cut enough so that I have enough of my Bowdabra bow wire to fold in half, lay down into the mini Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath, just like that. Then I have my tails already dovetailed and sealed, and I seal with a lighter, but you can seal with fray check. And again, I just do my little mountain in the middle. You can seal with fray check, or you can seal with a clear nail polish. So on this one, all I'm going to do is take the wrong side of the ribbon, lay that in, come back around, and now I have equal. I'm going to just take my tails out of the way so I can look at my ruler. And I have 2 1/2 inches on both sides. So again, I'm just going to do my little mountain in the middle, scrunch that down. And what you can, I'll show you this a little bit more. So all I'm doing here is scrunching this so I have a little mountain. So then these come up, so the valleys come up on the outside, the other side, and you have a cute little bow. And let me just make sure that I've measured this correctly. Looks like I need to just bring this a little bit here. So we have 2 1/2 and 2 1/2, so that's perfect. And I'm just going to scrunch all that down in there. Take my Bowdabra bow wire. Now you could add a like a rhinestone or something in the middle. I'm just doing this as a quick tutorial, so I'm not going to do that. But you of course could do that because the wire I think can look really pretty also. And we're just going to tie this and knot it. And I'm going to just double knot it for security. And you could attach this, and we have many videos that show you how you can attach this to either a hair clip or a ponytail holder, and you just use the wire to attach it. And here we have another really cute little bow. And we're just going to pull our tails down, and you have your really adorable 2-loop bow. So the next thing that I'm going to do is show you in the regular Bowdabra how to make a 2-loop bow. So here I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire. Now you can also make this in the mini Bowdabra. And again, I'm going to make my wire long enough. And this is just a ribbon that I picked up on Amazon, but you can use any Grosgrain 3-inch wide or 2-inch wide. It would be the same thing, 1 1/2 inch wide. It wouldn't really matter. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take the right side of my ribbon and just scrunch this down in here and take the right side of my ribbon again, scrunch this down. Now for all of the instructions, please just look in the description below and it'll give you the materials list of what we've used. And again here, and I'm just gonna look and make sure that my loops are the same on both sides. It looks like I need to just move this over a little bit. And now let's just check that our loops are the same, and they're not. So just a little bit there, and that looks pretty much the same there. So now, I don't have my regular Bowdabra hair bow tool. I mean, my regular Bowdabra wand, so I'm just using that one. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to our YouTube video, our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook, and also follow us on TikTok. So we're going to bring this around, tie a knot, and tie another knot. This kind of matches the tablecloth. And then again, I would just attach this to a little hair clip, and you have this cute little, I'm just get the wire out of the way so you can see the bow. So it's a really cute little 2-loop bow. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in our next videos. Thanks so much for watching.